HICCTV Security Group. Now in this video, I want to explain a little about one of the best seller of Tiandy Technology, 8 megapixel camera with early warning. This camera is a 4K cameras with very good performance in the day and at night because of using warm lights. Let me unbox this camera and show you the shape factor of this turret camera. This is the shape factor of this camera. It's a turret, and Tiandy has the bullet one too. It has two shape factor, turret and bullet. And one of the most important feature of this camera is early warning, shooting alarm in a specific area. After my talking, you'll be able to see the performance of this camera, how we can set it up and how it works. Thank you very much.
You can select the required parameters in the setting interface before using. First, we need to set a perimeter or tripwire. Look, when someone enters this area, an alarm will be triggered and the screen will change from black and white to full color. To achieve the visual effect in the daytime, you just need to sit in front of the computer or use your Tiandy app named Easy Live to control everything.
You have intruded into a restricted area.
Thank you again for following HICCTV Security Group, and in the next videos we'll show you another products of Tiandy Technology. Thank you very much.